There were only 2 rooms in Olivia's childhood house that we didn't want to remodel, and now both of them have been torn up because of the water leak, so unfortunately Beckett will not be playing on the same hardwoods that Olivia danced on as a little kid. But that's okay, because we knew there was going to be a lot of change between what it was when she grew up and what it's going to be. But we are done talking about the water leak, so let's get into project number 1, the staircase. There's something incredibly special about remodeling a childhood home, because with every project comes a million stories, like Olivia and her 4 siblings walking down this exact staircase every Christmas morning her entire life. And as beautiful as the staircase is, it's time to update it. I started by removing all of the balusters, which I cut in half first and then wedged from bottom to top and pulled them out of their holes. Each baluster had a staple in the top and a nail in the bottom, so I just went row by row and cut out all 84 of these. If you're wondering whether we're going to keep the banister or not, yes, we definitely are, because it is oak and it's actually in really great shape. But the balusters needed to be updated, and I think everything needed a nice, fresh coat. And by fresh coat, I really just mean sanding it down to let those natural oak colors shine. All of the hardwoods in the house are oak and are also going to be refinished, so these eventually will match. I used my Craftsman orbital sander and a ton of sanding pads and started sanding it down. Even with a friend there to help me, I didn't realize how tedious of a process this would be. Doing the flat parts with the orbital sander was super quick and easy, but the underside had a lot of different grooves that made it way more difficult and you had to do it by hand. So it's definitely taking longer than we thought, but the nice thing about a forever home is we want to do everything to the absolute best of our abilities and make it as nice as possible, because we get to enjoy the fruit of our labor. We hope you'll follow along as we continue remodeling her childhood home. There are hundreds of projects inside, outside, bathrooms, you name it, so I think we're all going to learn a lot.